to our channel, where today we dive into the art of living on a crazy low income. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by financial stress, wondering how to make ends meet? Or perhaps you're just curious about how to stretch your dollar to its absolute limit? Well, you are in the right place. Today we'll explore 7 powerful tips that will not only help you to survive but thrive on a limited budget. Stay tuned because the strategies we discuss have transformed life, and they can do the same for you. Number 1. Embrace minimalism. Embracing minimalism can transform your financial situation, as demonstrated by Sarah's journey. Sarah, a young professional journey in debt and overwhelmed by clutter, decided to make a change. She started by decluttering her home, selling or donating items she no longer needed. This not only cleared physical space but also lifted a mental burden. With a newfound appreciation for simplicity, Sarah became more intentional with her purchases. She adopted an 1 in, 1 out rule, ensuring that for every new item she bought, she would let go of something else. This helped her curb impulse buys and save money. Sarah also reevaluated her lifestyle, focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. She found joy in activities like hiking, reading, and spending time with friends, which were not only fulfilling but also cost-effective. Over time, Sarah's embrace of minimalism led to a significant reduction in her expenses and debt. She learned that by simplifying her life, she could achieve financial freedom and peace of mind. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start a financial journey. Number 2. Master meal planning. Mastering meal planning can revolutionize your budget and health, as illustrated by Tom's story. Tom, a busy professional, used to rely on takeouts and dining out, which not only drained his wallet but also left him feeling sluggish. Determined to make a change, he started planning his meals for the week ahead. Tom began by researching simple, nutritious recipes and creating a weekly meal plan. This allows him to make a precise grocery list, avoiding impulse purchases. He also started preparing meals in advance, saving time and money during the busy work week. Not only did Tom's new approach to meal planning save him money, but it also improved his health. By cooking at home, it controlled the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier eating habits. Tom's story demonstrates that with a little planning and effort, meal planning can be a powerful tool for saving money and improving overall well-being. Number 3. Find free entertainment. Finding free entertainment is a brilliant way to enjoy life without straining your finances. Take Sarah, a recent college graduate that became her first job with a modest salary. Initially, Sarah spent a lot on movies, concerts, and dining out, which quickly added up. Realizing she needed to cut back, she started exploring free activities in her city. Sarah discovers a wealth of options. Local parks offers free concerts and movie nights, providing the same joy without the hefty price tags. She joined a book club at the local library, where she met new friends and engaged in stimulating discussions. On weekends, Sarah attended free workshops and community events, which broadened her horizons and filled her social calendar. One of Sarah's favorite discoveries was a free yoga class held in the park every Saturday morning. This not only saved her the cost of gym membership, but also helped her maintain her physical and mental health. She also started hosting game nights at her apartment, inviting friends for an evening of fun without spending a dime. Sarah's story spread among her peers, who were equally eager to find budget-friendly ways to have fun. They formed a hiking group, exploring nearby trails and sharing potluck picnics. By seeking out free entertainment, Sarah not only saved money but also enriched her life with new experiences and connections. The journey illustrates that with a bit of creativity, and an open mind, you can find endless sources of free entertainment, making your life enjoyable and financially sustainable. Number 4. DIY and barter skills. Embracing DIY and barter skills can transform your financial landscape. Meet Alex, a young father who, after losing his job, found himself on a tight budget. Instead of succumbing to despair, Alex decided to utilize his skills to save money and even create new opportunities. Alex began with simple home repairs. Instead of hiring professionals for minor issues, he turned to YouTube tutorials and learned to fix things himself. From plumbing fixes to painting walls, Alex's newfound DIY abilities saved him hundreds of dollars. His confidence grew when he started tackling more significant projects like building furniture from reclaimed wood. Simultaneously, Alex discovered the power of bartering. He offered his handyman services to neighbors in exchange for things he needed. One neighbor, a graphic designer, created a website for Alex's budding side business in exchange for Alex renovating their deck. Another trade with a local farmer provided Alex's family with fresh produce for months. With Alex's skills and bartering spread throughout the community, soon he was trading services with various people, creating a network of mutual support. Not only did this save money, but it also fostered a strong sense of community and reciprocity. Alex's story highlights how DIY and bartering can significantly cut costs and open new avenues for growth and connection. By leveraging your skills and building a network of trades, you can achieve financial resilience and discover the immense value of self-reliance and community support. Number 4. Smart shopping strategies. Smart shopping strategies can drastically stretch your budget. As illustrated by Emily's experience, Emily, a single mom working 2 jobs, struggles to make ends meet. Realizing she needed to cut costs, she adopted savvy shopping habits that transformed her financial situation. Emily started by meticulously planning her shopping trips. She created detailed lists based on weekly sales, ensuring she bought only what was necessary. Using apps and websites, she found the best deals, and digital coupons, often saving up to 50% on her groceries. One month, she challenged herself to only buy items on sale or with coupons, and she managed to save over $200. She also discovered the power of buying in bulk. Emily joined a warehouse club and started purchasing non-perishables and household items in larger quantities. This requires a bit of upfront investment, but the long-term savings were substantial. For instance, buying rice, pasta, and cleaning supplies in bulk reduced her monthly expenses significantly. Emily didn't stop at groceries. She approached her smart shopping strategies to clothing and household goods by frequenting thrift stores and consignment shops. She found high-quality items at a fraction of their original cost, like a nearly new winter coat for her son at just $10, originally priced at $100. Her success inspires friends and family to adopt similar strategies. They formed a coupon exchange group, sharing news and tips, which further amplifies their savings. Emily's journey shows both careful planning and resourcefulness. Smart shopping can lead to significant financial relief, proving that every penny saved truly counts. Number 6. Optimize transportation costs. Optimizing transportation costs can lead to substantial savings, as demonstrated by Alex's story. Alex, a young professional facing financial constraints, decided to reevaluate his transportation expenses. He started by using public transportation for his daily commute, which only saved him money on fuel. The parking had also reduced his stress from driving in traffic. To further cut costs, Alex began biking for shorter trips around town. Not only did this save him money or gas, but it also provided him with exercise that improved his overall well-being. Selling his car was the next step, allowing him to eliminate car payments, insurance, and maintenance costs. Additionally, Alex joined a carpooling group for longer journeys, splitting the costs of fuels and tolls with others. This not only reduced his transportation expenses but also provided him with a social network and new friendships. Alex's strategic approach to transportation saved him hundreds of dollars each month, illustrating the significant impact of optimizing transportation costs on his financial well-being. Number 7. Build a support network. Building a support network can transform your financial situation. As Maria's story shows, after losing her job, Maria, a single mother, reached out to her community for help. She joined a single parents group that offered emotional and practical support, leading to a new job opportunity through a member's recommendation. Maria also engaged in a neighborhood barter system, exchanging her sewing skills for essential services like babysitting and home repairs. Additionally, she utilized local food banks and community kitchens where she volunteers and made valuable connections. Through these networks, Maria even received free financial advice, helping her create a sustainable budget. Her experience proves that a strong support network can provide crucial resources and opportunities, helping you thrive, even in tough times. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.